Cross join means we will join two tables without any clause on clause. Like, let's say if I have a table A and table B in this figure, and both the table contains 3 records. So as a result of cross join, I will get 9 rows. That is, the first row will join with the A, B, C. The second row will again do the same condition, and the third row will again join with A, B, C. So total I will get 9 rows in the cross join. There is no on condition. It is just pulling all the records from both the table for each combinations. So let's move on to the example. Right now I have a customer and a state. Let's take select those two tables. Customers table is there, and I have a state table. So here you can see 10 customers are there and 5 state are there. So in customer table, I have added state ID. So this is coming from this state table. We can see here for the customer 1, state ID 1, that is Kerala, and for second customer also same state ID, and third customer 2, that is Tamil Nadu, and like that we have 10 customers. So each customer belongs to a state, which is we will get the details from the state ID. Now I have a requirement like I want to apply every customer irrespective of their state ID. I want to get a list of state, and for each state I need to get all the customers. If I want such to get a result, I can use a cross join, and I can pull every records, every combinations. So for that I just want to change this query like this: c dot customers, I just giving alias name as c comma state s. Now if I execute this, I get, so you can see here 10 customers are there, 10 customer ID, and here you can see state. So every state will get every customer. So for the first state, 10 customers are that records are selected, and for the second state again 10 customers, and for the third state, fourth state, fifth state, again same concept applied. So if I want to be more readable, I can, instead of star, I can write c dot id as customer ID. Then I want to select the customer name, first name, c dot last name. Now I want to get the state, so I can use s dot id as state ID, s dot name as state. Okay, if I execute this, yeah, now you can see the first total 10 customers. 10 customers are applied to the first record of the state, second, and like this we get all combinations from by joining all the rows from both the table. So that's a concept of cross join. Let's take another example of this cross join. I have 2 other tables, meals and drinks. One more table is there, drinks. Okay, so I have a first table meals, which contains 4 meals and its corresponding price. And in drinks table, 4 records are there and corresponding price is there. Now if I want to show a menu kind of details, I want to show combinations. I want to display a combo offer. So I can, with the help of this cross join, I can get a result. I will show you. Now I selecting the first table meals, M, comma, and then drinks. Let's put the star then. Yeah, now I got different meals and drinks. Now I can remove the star and m.id as meal ID, m.name as meal, then m.price. Meal price, selecting same tab, same set of columns, and I changing it as d.id. That's a drinks ID. D.name. Instead of this, it's a drink. So drink ID. It's a drink. Instead of, yeah. Now if I execute this, there is some issue with d dot, yeah, I should give this alias name here, d. Yeah. Now I got meal ID, meal name, and price, and corresponding drink name, and drink price. So if I want to show a combination, like a combo offer, and then let's say if I want to sum these two value, so m.price plus d.price. So that's a total sum. So I just giving it as a combo price. See, now I can show a menu like for a chicken burger, Pepsi, I can combo offer 3.28. That's the price. If I want to apply some discount, then either we can apply it in the query or in the code side, we can do it. Now if I want to apply something, a 5% discount if they order a combo meal, then let's say from the total price, just giving a 5% discount, so 0.5 as combo price discount. Okay, disc price. See, now I can show something, a menu like I can show individual if I take individual meals, then I can show individually. Otherwise, if they order with the drinks, then this combo price I can apply. So I can show here. So like this, we will get the every combinations from both the table with the help of cross join. Thank you.